The reason they called him thunder was because you could hear him running out here in the pasture.
Yeah.
And he makes loud boom when he runs.
Yeah.
You know when he's coming.
He doesn't run much.
No, not anymore. He used to though.
When he was younger. Watch out, dog. I know, look,
Baby over
you're in the
there.
woods.
That's baby there in the woods.
Hi, baby.
Oh, they're gonna get fed.
All right, pass out. Take it, take some and pass it around. No, let them get their own. Let them get their own, baby.
They like
I know.
We're not fighting. We're all family. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama.
Oh, come on, babies. Here, boys, grab yours and start feeding them.
Hey, it's over there by the by Malin now.